In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cute YouTube intros using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting your YouTube journey, a captivating intro can make a significant difference in grabbing your audience's attention. Let's dive into the process and make your first YouTube intro with Canva. First off, you'll need to open Canva in your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, head over to the search bar. In the search bar, type YouTube intro. Canva will instantly generate a variety of templates designed specifically for YouTube intros. Browse through these options to find one that suits your style and matches the vibe of your channel. Keep in mind the colors, themes, and overall design that best reflect the personality of your content when making your selection. Once you've found a template that you like, click on it. This will bring up more details about the template and an option to customize it. Click on Customize this template to begin the personalization process. Here is where you can infuse your brand's personality into the design. You'll then be taken into the Canva editor where you can modify every element of the intro. Now let's work on personalizing the text. Click on the text box in the template to edit the content. Enter your channel name, tagline, or any message you want to appear. Remember to choose fonts and colors that reflect your brand style. Canva provides a variety of fonts, so feel free to explore and find the right one that aligns with your aesthetic. The more personalized your intro, the more it resonates with viewers. After updating the text, let's move on to images. If the template includes images that you would like to replace with your own, click on Uploads in the left sidebar. This section lets you upload images from your computer. Simply drag the desired image onto the canvas to replace the existing one. This is a great opportunity to incorporate your logo or any visuals that identify your channel. By dragging it into the existing image spot, you seamlessly integrate your uploads into the design, keeping the process simple and effective. Once you're satisfied with your edits, take a moment to review your intro. Check that the text is correct, the images are properly placed, and overall it aligns with the vision you had in mind. When you are happy with it, click on the download button located at the top right of the Canva interface. You'll have various file formats to choose from, but for video intros, a MP4 format is recommended. And there you have it, your very own custom YouTube intro created quickly and easily using Canva. With these steps, you've crafted an engaging opening that sets the tone for your channel and captures your audience. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy designing your intros.